Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make blooming flower tea. Blooming flower tea, also known as artisan tea, is a truly captivating beverage. It is meticulously crafted by hand, where skilled artisans tie dried tea leaves around a dried flower. When hot water is added, the tea ball slowly unfurls, revealing a stunning floral arrangement. This process creates a delightful visual spectacle, transforming your tea time into an elegant experience. Beyond its beauty, it offers a wonderfully delicate and aromatic flavor profile, making each cup a special moment. To begin your blooming tea journey, selecting the right components is key. Always opt for high-quality blooming tea balls from a trusted source to ensure both beauty and flavor. The vessel you choose is equally important. A clear glass teapot or a large glass mug is ideal, allowing you to fully appreciate the mesmerizing unfurling of the flower. Make sure your chosen teapot has a capacity of at least 12 to 16 ounces, or approximately 350 to 470 milliliters, to give the flower ample space to bloom gracefully. Achieving the perfect steep is simple with a few precise steps. First, heat fresh, filtered water to the optimal temperature, which is approximately 175 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit, or about 80 to 85 degrees Celsius. Carefully place one blooming tea ball into your clear glass teapot. Slowly pour the hot water directly over the tea ball, ensuring it is completely submerged. Then, allow the tea to steep for 3 to 5 minutes, observing the magical transformation as the flower gracefully unfurls. Once your blooming tea has fully unfurled, it is ready to be served and savored. You can pour the tea into individual cups and enjoy its delicate aroma and flavor. A wonderful aspect of blooming tea is its re-steeping potential. Most tea balls can be re-steeped 2 to 3 times. Simply add more hot water and allow it to steep again. Each subsequent infusion will offer a slightly different, yet still delightful, taste and visual experience. Discard the tea ball when the flavor significantly weakens, or after several infusions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.